This is our Buster. We call him Buster Brown. He's a little scruffy little tank. Super happy. He's a good boy.
Ready? One, two, three. Come here, ready? Go. Hey. Oh, did you think I threw it?
He thought you threw it. He's proud of his toy. I'm just so happy getting all this undivided attention. I'm so happy. Look
You
at
watching me
it.
scratch your butt? Looking back at it. Want this?
He would probably be great too in like agility classes,
Oh, I'm sure.
a big yard, long walks, hiking. He just goes from one person to the next to get. He says, "I would rather have you than that toy."
You got a mohawk all the way down the back.
And he's got a yeah. Look at his mohawk. Look at his tail. How much does he weigh? Is he around?
41, I think.
He's 40-pound range. Came from the border of
It's the
Mexico.
hand that holds the treats.
And apparently he is absolutely in love with Lisa.
Hi, look at what I have. Okay, so before I give you a treat, oh, he's been getting lots of them. Yes, he has. This right here is a hunk of burning love. Hold on there, mister. Hold on. Okay, hold on. You want to sit? You be a good boy. Come here. Here. Sit. Oh, look at that. So besides having a mohawk, he also has, to me, Buster almost has like a lion's mane. So if you look at his hairs, it's all over his neck. He's really kind of cool looking. Oh, and I have his favorite treats. He loves these Red Barn beef cuts. Oh, Buster.